with a 1.5 million order backlog. Tesla will begin selling its Cybertruck in September. The Austin plant will likely be able to produce 250 Zero units annually if Tesla is able to capture a significant portion of Ford's auto production with their most profitable and productive vehicle line. That would be a real game changer. That seemed like the major headline to me. Today, we'll assess the situation. After 2 years of delay, shape up Tesla's first Cybertruck finally leaves the factory, according to reports. Tesla will soon introduce its new budget model for the Asian market. This will help the company's bottom line and, as a result, investors' portfolios. Following years of delays developing the highly anticipated vehicle, Tesla announced in a July tweet that it has finally built its first Cybertruck. Production of the Cybertruck is now anticipated to increase after Tesla revealed that it had produced its first one at its Texas facility. The Cybertruck has long been anticipated, having been delayed by 2 years due to seemingly never-ending problems. According to a source, Tesla had originally intended to begin shipping the car in 2021, but had postponed that date in order to make some design adjustments. The vehicle was again delayed last year in order to alter a few features and components. We apologize for the wait. Later this year, we'll begin shipping production Cybertrucks, Musk informed investors in May. And in my opinion, the product has exceeded expectations. The price of the Cybertruck in 2019 is still unknown. Tesla had estimated that it would cost $40,000, but that amount might fluctuate due to inflation and other things. After years of delays, the company has finally rolled off the first ever piece of the electric vehicle from its Texas factory, raising hopes that production will pick up soon. This news not only makes Tesla enthusiasts happy, but the company shareholders as well, since many had already expressed their optimism about the Tesla Cybertruck. The price is expected to increase based on the specifications, according to a crowdsourced reservation tracker from Electric. There are about 1.9 million orders for the futuristic-looking vehicle. Musk said Tesla planned to make about 250 Zero Cybertrucks a year, depending on demand, with sales expected to start later this year. If the Cybertruck is realized as it did during its debut, that should be more than enough. Any additional tech and features are merely cherry on top. Ivan Drury, an automotive analyst, the online retailer Edmunds compared the Cybertruck to the Hummer, a similarly large and impractical vehicle that could appeal to both enthusiasts and wealthy luxury buyers. Prospective managing partner for funds analyst Gary Black, too, is optimistic about the future of the electric pickup truck. Black stated in a tweet that the deliveries of Cybertrucks probably going to substantially above Wall Street projections. He pointed out that after the ramp up, Tesla is intending to produce 375 Zero units annually. The current consensus delivery predictions for 2024 and 2025 are 91 Zero and 160 Zero units, respectively. According to the analyst, there is a minimum annual gap of $200,000 in the consensus expectations. The shortfall is estimated to be worth 60 cents per share in additional earnings per share by 2025. According to Black, this incremental earnings per share is 10 of the projected adjusted earnings per share forecast of $6 for 2025, assuming a $60,000 average selling price, 20% gross margin, and a 1 to 15% tax rate. The question now is the Cybertruck still a desirable purchase? Although it was one of the few options available to consumers looking for an electric pickup in 2019, buyers now have a plethora of options to choose from, including new age manufacturers like Rivian and legacy automakers like Ford, when the Cybertruck eventually goes on sale. Its price managers and prospective owners as well. When Musk first released the pickup, it cost $40,000. However, after 4 years in a pandemic, input prices skyrocketed. In order to remain competitive in the market, Musk and Tesla may also be inclined to lower the price of the Cybertruck, much like they have done for their other products. However, Wayne may find the vehicle more appealing after viewing merely pictures and videos rather than the real thing. Changes in key features which Musk claims make the Cybertruck better than expected were also blamed for production delays. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has been gradually revealing more information about the truck and its performance over the years. He has made many claims about the truck's alleged capabilities, which have not yet been verified. He has stated that the Cybertruck will be able to function as a boat for a short while and have rear wheel steering. Its exoskeleton-based body is the opposite of how trucks are typically produced and how they typically look. It has also been said that Tesla will be producing 3 models of the Cybertruck, a vehicle that can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour to 100 kilometers per hour in less than 3 seconds. The base model will cost $39,000 and offer a 250 horsepower with its cutting-edge new-gen platform, which aims to introduce more affordable compact and compact electric vehicles that have the potential to drive large volumes across developing Southeast Asian markets. Tesla, the American automotive company led by billionaire entrepreneur Elon Musk, is eyeing new opportunities in Asia. At least according to its Q2 investor deck, Tesla is developing its next generation EV platform at various locations. Industry insiders claim that the Tesla new budget model, which is estimated to cost roughly $25,000, may be released by the end of 2023, although some experts predict 2025 launch today with a major export base and its largest manufacturing facility. Tesla's Shanghai Gigafactory is presently shipping to Thailand and Singapore, and will soon start shipping to Malaysia. There is currently a major worry around this. Tesla faces fierce competition in these places from China's BYD, which has a stronghold in Malaysia's growing EV market and has eclipsed Japanese EV producers there. Since the region's low volume makes it impractical to develop integrated gigafactories there, Tesla accesses the market by exporting. In a research released by Barclays, the company stated that it anticipated that Tesla's next low-cost EV would account for 275,000 deliveries in 2026 and eventually surpass the Model I, the company's current volume driver in terms of sales, reaching 3.5 million units annually by 2030. Additionally, the Model 3 and I Gigafactory in Shanghai, which has a capacity of 750 units, has space to send vehicles to nearby markets. This is accurate despite projections that sales of the Model 3 will reach 990 units, and those of the Model I will reach 1.5 million units. With facilities in the United States, Tesla can manufacture 2.25 million vehicles annually total. Germany and China, although its largest facility in Shanghai produces 750 units, the company's greatest production base is in the United States, with 2 plants in Austin, Texas, producing 250 units, and Fremont, California, producing 650 units. In the developed world, which includes Europe, Japan, Korea, and North America, Tesla is in a strong position. Australia and China, but not in developing regions with lower income levels where Tesla's present prices in Southeast Asia are not competitive. The Middle East and Latin America, when it comes to Chinese brands that are starting to offer EVs in certain areas, Tesla isn't competitive. A $25,000 Tesla in India could be intriguing, but a far lower price tag would be more reasonable given that EVs is now experiencing price problems in the developed world. Indian consumers cannot afford an electric vehicle costing $25,000. So even if Tesla were to launch one there, it would not be enough to disrupt the market. Listen to the Felipe Munoz global automotive analyst Jado. Malaysia and Indonesia are also thinking of offering incentives to Tesla in exchange for the business setting up local production plants. The news about Tesla's Asian market has rocked the industry as a whole. Notably, Tesla delivered 466 140 units in April through June, up 83 over the same time in the previous year. That's an inflation-addled globe, the Model 3 entry-level sedan and the Model I mid-to-vet accounted for 446 915 units. According to Tesla's Q2 shareholder deck, the company reduced operating income by $2.4 billion in Q2 over the previous year, resulting in an operating margin of 9.6%. This was attributed to a lower average selling price as a result of price reductions. Tesla is lowering costs across its spectrum to attract buyers. The company JP Morgan anticipates that Tesla will focus more on increasing sales in more accessible price ranges. Sign up for additional international